If you want to ensure your Netflix account is secure and only connected to devices you currently use, follow these simple steps to remove all devices from your Netflix security settings. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Before changing your settings, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Manage devices. Scroll down to the Settings section. Look for the option labeled Recent Device Streaming Activity and click on it to see a list of devices that have access to your account. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of devices and their last activity dates. Identify any devices you no longer use or recognize that you want to remove from your account. Step 5. Sign out of devices. To remove a device, scroll back to the Settings section and select Sign out of all devices. This will log out of all devices currently connected to your Netflix account, allowing you to start fresh. By following these steps, you can easily manage and secure your Netflix account by removing old devices. Regularly checking your account settings helps keep your viewing experience safe and personalized.